Hi, I'm Miles with Solar Tops here with another FAQ video. Today's topic is maintenance. One of the biggest questions we get is, do solar panels require maintenance? They really don't. Since there's no moving parts on a solar panel, there's no actual maintenance that goes into it. However, there are things that you can do in order to improve its performance. For example, make sure there's no big trees in your backyard, which would put shade on the solar panels, thus obstructing it from sunlight. Another common question is, what does the maintenance cost look like? Well, since there's no actual maintenance that goes into your solar panels, really the only cost is your time. At Solar Tops, we do recommend after a dust storm to spray off your solar panels either early in the morning or late at night while your system isn't running. Therefore, you clean it off and make sure they have the cleanest surface to absorb as much sunlight as possible. No brushes, no cleaners, just a hose and some water. You could be standing in your backyard. Don't get up on your roof. It's all good. Spray it down and make sure that they are operating at peak performance. Another great question is, will my solar panels become damaged during a storm? Solar Tops uses top-of-the-line products that can withstand pretty much anything. But if for whatever reason, something does damage your solar panels to the point where it needs to be repaired, Solar Tops encourages you use the 25-year warranty on your solar panels that we've installed for you. We will come and replace whatever needs to be replaced, because that warranty will cover parts and labor. And finally, how long will my solar system last? Well, that depends on the quality of products that you have installed on your roof. Most solar panels have a lifespan of about 25 years, but if you go for the cheaper stuff, it may not last as long. Solar Tops believes in using premium products, but selling them at an affordable price. Get the most out of your investment with the premium products that Solar Tops has to offer. Thanks for watching. For more information about all things solar or for a free quote, feel free to give us a call or visit our website.